What would be your suggestions? Informal, but your message is appreciated and welcome.
Thank you. First of all, thank you very much to invite me for this event. Although it's Slovenian, I'm sorry about if it disturbs somebody, but I brought my colleagues to help me to understand the Slovene language. Unfortunately, I'm not speaking. Couple of moments it came into my mind that we are talking about silver economy, but if we bring it down to the human level, to the individual level, everybody has a family, everybody has a child, everybody is a child, everybody is a parents, and everybody will be a grandparents, because that's the way of the life. Unfortunately, and I grew up in this kind of environment,